Advantages of networking. Networking in computers brings efficiency, economy, and effectiveness in any organization. So, networking of computers brings three main features, that is efficiency, economy, and effectiveness. We will discuss these three features here. So, if efficient use of storage media, it is better to store a shareable application data on a network drive than to store a copy of the application on each user's storage device. It is better to have one big hard disk in the server than to have small hard disks in different computers. Suppose in an organization there are 10 computers. Without networking, data has to be stored in each of the 10 computers. So that is 10 hard disks are required to store the data. So data has to be stored in each of the hard disks. On the other hand, in networking, only one hard disk is required to store data that is shared by each user, saves the storage space. Preserving information. It is difficult to maintain regular backups on a number of standalone computers. When you keep backups on a central location, you have one place to look for the lost information. Without networking in computers, backup has to be done at each computers. Here we are using 10 computers, and at 10 places we have to take backups. Whereas in networking, backup has to be done on the server only. It requires less hard disks and saves energy and time. Reduction in hardware costs. In a networking, the hardware drives which are not used very often, like modems, printers, scanners, CD writers, etc., can be shared. This reduces the cost of hardware. Some common devices like printers, CD writers, scanners can be shared, saving the cost of these on networking. Efficiency. In a network, the deletion, modification, or upgradation of software or data is to be done at a single point only. This brings only more efficiency and effectiveness into a working system. Deletion of unwanted information, modification of data, and software updation is done only at a single point in case of networking. Redundancy. A network reduces the need for hard copies of all documents. By sharing the soft copy of a file over the network, the need to share paper copies of reports or any other information can be eliminated or greatly reduced. Avoiding hard copies of documents by sending soft copies of documents to each user, reducing the cost of printing hard copy or papers used. Quickest document delivery. Networking provides a facility to instantly deliver soft copies from the one computer to other computers throughout the world. Soft copy can be sent immediately throughout the world, saving time and money to send document.